I see it. Dirty. Now we round air intake. And that's gonna lead right there. Right there. Still gotta put these on. Inside, mount them down. Gotta go get me some bolts from Ace Hardware out of Home Depot. I gotta plug this vacuum hose right here. That went into the factory air box. So I'm gonna plug that, and then this other side, I'm gonna put a breather on it. That thing blinging. Y'all see this hose right here? I hack it and put a breather. So yeah, that's what we looking like. That's what we running like. Oh yeah. This right here, I need to cut it off. It's a hard line. I ran the hose line, the soft hose line. I need to hack that out so I can pull it up out of there. All it was where this used to be located at. Instead of the hard line and that being on top of that, I ran the hose, as I can see, to the EGR valve. Well, there y'all go, YouTube. Lower than the first time I showed y'all. Really ready to see how she breathes, brother. I want to get an all double, a triple core, or 4-core radiator, all aluminum. This is aluminum and plastic, the plastic walls. I want to change that up and get all aluminum. Power steering box. I want to get the aluminum polish reservoir box and overflow, cooling overflow bottle. And smaller and polished aluminum. Clean this engine bay up a little bit more. Oh yeah, YouTube. I got it.